Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more trendy and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and so stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about very stylish collection of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyles. But in today's my collection, so stylish ideas of natural curly hairstyle, some ideas in fine hairstyle, and so beautiful ideas of different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with undercut and shaved art. Beautiful shaved art ideas, some ideas in lines, some ideas in circle and square. Zigzag designs, electric designs. So beautiful haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. With different ideas of undercut and shade art. Trendy and eye-catching ideas of Hidai. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And beautiful eye-catching ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color. Some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of roots, dark roots and light roots. So beautiful overall ideas, overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish, and you look gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. Once again, I request you please must share your feedback because it's very important for growing channel. So please must share with me your opinion, your suggestion, your ideas about short hair for girls and women. Please must share with me. I'll wait. As soon as possible, I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you. So please must share with me. So friend, thank you so much You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.